Well, the Red Cross needs your help. The spike in COVID cases has led to a convalescent plasma shortage. Red Cross representatives say they need donors who have recovered from COVID-19 to help those who are currently sick from the virus. It contains certain antibodies to fight the infection. So far, more than 380 COVID-19 survivors from Alabama and Mississippi have given the plasma.
It's important that as we see these spikes in cases that because of the increased need for convalescent plasma, that we have donors who have recovered and feel better to come and to help to share their good health now with patients who really need it.
For more information on how to donate, just visit rocketcitynow.com.